Welcome to this short video from Sierra Tech on how to reinstall an app onto your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch that you've backed up in iTunes. And you may ask, why would I want to restore an app? The biggest reason we perform this function is we'll update an app using the iPhone App Store only to discover that the app does not function properly. A good example is we updated the Facebook Pages app, and version 4.0 of Facebook Pages app would not log in. So we have deleted the app from the iPhone, and now I want to install or reinstall the previous version of the app. Before you perform this function, you want to make sure that you have deleted the app from your iPhone to start with before connecting it to iTunes. Otherwise, it will back up the new version of the app and put the previous version in your recycle bin. We have our iPhone docked. If I need to back up my existing apps by doing transfer purchases, you want to perform that function first. Well, prior to this video, we have done that. If you don't do that, the single app install feature will not work. So we'll start with going into our apps button. We have the iPhone selected, so we'll go into the apps menu function. Once the screen on the right refreshes, it shows you your app screens from the last backup you had performed and where your apps reside. Unfortunately, when we reinstall an app, it will not put it into one of the folders that the app originally existed in. It will restore it on your iPhone or iPad in the next available app position. Which will be right next to Acrobat Reader here on our iPhone screen. So, we'll scroll down until we find the Facebook. Okay. Here's the Facebook app. Notice how the button here says remove. Well, we don't want to remove that, but the app below it is the Facebook Pages Manager. It says install. We want to click this button, and it says it will install. So now we want to click apply, and this starts the syncing process. So we're in step 1 of 4, and I'm going to pause the video. Notice the Facebook Pages app appeared here next to the Adobe Reader app, and this is where it's going to locate it on my iPhone. Now it's in step 3 and it's determining apps to sync, and it's preparing. It's waiting for changes to be applied, and now it's copying pages. Due to the large size of the app, it takes a while to download using a USB 2 connection. Unfortunately, Apple has not updated their USB on their iPhones to USB 3 yet. If you look at the iPhone, you'll notice that the app is still installing. iTunes is done, or has completed the process, but the iPhone is now installing the app. It's basically decompressing the app and installing it in memory of the iPhone. And this process on apps that are 50 megabytes or larger tends to take some time to do this. We have speeded up the installation process video. It is now installed, and we now can use the older version of the app. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, showing you how it looks on the iPhone. If you found this video useful, we would appreciate a thumbs up or leave us a comment. Thank you for watching.